The impact of Cyclone Remal has been particularly severe in both East and West Jaintia Hills. In light of these events, the district administrators of both the districts have issued orders to close all schools, colleges and universities till today. The cyclone has caused significant damage in West Jaintia Hills, with 2 lives being rescued. In East Jaintia Hills, connectivity has been severely impacted, especially near Lomshnong toll gate, where 70% of the area has been damaged. The district administrator has issued a public advisory due to incessant rainfall and strong winds, leading to traffic obstruction at various locations such as National Highway 6. Meanwhile, 4 people have reportedly been killed today in a major landslide at Nongpriang village in Sora. There's an alternative. There's always a third